Today I'm going to share with you how do I actually do the print screen. Okay, using a virtual keyboard. I'm going to share with you how do I do print screen on Windows. Okay, you can also use it with your normal keyboard, because now I'm just showing up using virtual keyboard to show you all the key buttons from a keyboard. So basically, there's this Windows button. Okay, you can click on Windows button, and then you click on print screen. Print screen. There you go. That's a snapshot. Do you see it? Okay, Windows button, print screen. It will print the screen. Okay, that's how to actually do the print screen. Okay, and then there's another method. Press the function key, and then print screen. And then there's a snippet here. You can snippet the area that you want to print screen on. There you go. Okay, snippet function, print screen, snippet. Okay, and then you will save it. And then you go to the paintbrush and save the file. Copy the, because it's actually a copy file, you need to go to paintbrush or image, and then you save it. Control V and paste it and things like that. Okay, so function, print screen. There's this thing over here, image snip. Then there's a record button, rectangle, window. You want a rectangle or you want a window? Okay, yeah. So the buttons, the color picker, text extractor, but mostly it's this law. Okay, yeah, snippet, the snippet. Okay, snippet. Yeah. Here you go. And then I'm going down to paint. Okay, go to paint. Then you right click, and then you just Control V. There you go. The image is been paste. Control V, yeah. So that's how to actually print screen. Okay, do a snippet and then print screen. Okay, you can actually view, zoom in and zoom out. Zoom, I want 100%. Okay, the whole thing is crop. Yeah, I'm going to crop it. There you go. The whole image is being captured. Okay, Control V, because it's snippet. So that's another way to actually print screen. Okay, I teach you 2 ways already. So if you like this video, please click the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.